you was a real Dre, man. You scared cause you good?
Hold on. You come in my house. Don't you ever bring scared business to me. You're looking at the toughest rascal Jamaican in the United States of America. I run shit. I kill for nothing. And I make lots of money and deal with the business. Don't bring that shit to me. Again. You hear me?
I'm saying, though, it wasn't like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get on, man. I'm hungry. I need this shit. You know how I get down, man. You know what I'm saying? You know how I get down, dog. I need the shot.
So you think you can handle that?
I know I can. I know it.
I gotta think about it still. You understand? Me not gonna say it, me I gotta do it, but me I gotta think about it. You understand me?
Yeah. So just help a nigga out, man. That's all I'm trying to do, man.
Remember, you owe me a big,
anything,
big pussy card favor. You understand me?
Anything. I ain't gonna let you down, dog. Take this one.